Devon Digital here, and I think the Pocket 3 is the best camera for creators. Now, before we deep dive into this video, I want to go ahead and throw my actual D-Log settings up on the screen for you because I actually use D-Log. I'm shooting in D-Log now, and I love shooting in D-Log. And I want to give you my settings for any beginners out there who don't know how to set this thing up. If you haven't already watched other channels or 1,000 other channels about this, here's my setup. This is what I'm using to get the quality that I get. Now, I also want to say that my best friend, he bought me a second DJI Pocket for my actual birthday. My birthday isn't here yet, but it was a surprise. He gave it to me a little bit before my birthday. So I just want to throw that out there. And I'm actually shooting on my DJI Pocket that I bought about 2 years ago. So now I have a second one that I can use for my content creation and everything that I do. And I appreciate you. Thank you so much for that. And let's just get back to the video. Now I want to say that content creating with this device has been so much better. I've been using my Canon R6 Mark II for quite some time for content creating, but it's a messy setup. I gotta put a screen up there, I gotta put microphones up there, I gotta put this up there, and I gotta use a gimbal, I gotta do all this balancing. It's just a lot. But the Pocket has been the most easiest thing to use. Just pull it out of my pocket, turn it on, connect the microphone, done deal. I'm ready to create. And it has been very easy. Not one time I had anybody complain about my quality. In fact, most people be like, hey man, you got really good quality. Wow. And I'd be like, hey, I'm shooting on the DJI Osmos Pocket 3. And a lot of people just not sure of, you know, when they get it, they're not sure if it's worth it. They see the hype, they hear the hype, and people keep on, other YouTubers, the bigger channels keep saying that it's good for vlogging, it's good for vlogging. But no, I've been using it for my A-roll and my B-roll, like this A-roll right here, consistently for about 2 years on my channel. I dedicated using the Pocket for everything that I shoot. If you watch any of my tech videos, you will see that everything was done with the DJI Osmos Pocket 3. Everything, literally everything. It's that good. And I think that if you are a creator or you're trying to get into it, this is what you should get. It's good enough quality for YouTube, and you can get shots that you can't get with bigger cameras, or you can, but it's just a lot more effort versus just picking this thing up and going. So that kind of leads into the next thing I wanted to say about the setup. The setup is small, it's easy, it's simple. That's what you want when you're out here trying to create. You want something that's just quick and easy. It has made content for me faster to produce. The editing time is still the same, but when it comes to creating it, it's just so much faster. It's so much easier. It's almost really effortless to create content with the DJI Pocket 3. Now, I did buy the creators combo that comes with a pouch, it comes with a stand, it comes with a wide angle lens, it also comes with the microphone, and it comes with extended battery, and it comes with another battery extender for you to mount your tripods and all that stuff to the bottom of it. And it also charges USB Type-C. One of the best things about this thing is that when I'm out shooting for long times, I normally would take the battery part, take it off and slap it into my vehicle or a portable battery bank, and it charges super fast, like literally super fast. So I can actually shoot all day with it, which is great. Even the Pocket itself charges really, really fast. So you can shoot all day with that. And I'd be out there for about a good 4 hours shooting, creating, you know, a lot of different videos, getting a lot of my B-roll, getting a lot of my A-roll if I have any of that to get. I love shooting my daughter. She's running around. She's 1 year old now. And I love shooting her running around the house or running outside. It's just really great, not just for content. It's just a great video camera. Instead of picking up your phone, this is what you can just grab and you can just run with it. It's a gimbal. It does a really awesome job, and I really love this thing. This thing is incredible when it comes to creating content. The best thing about it is probably really the microphone, like how simple the microphone is. Bluetooth, so it connects straight to the Pocket. So you could turn the microphone on and you could turn on the Pocket, and then up here on the microphone there's a button right here, like a link button. You hit that link button and it actually starts the recording up there. So you don't even have to hit the Pocket to record. You can set it down somewhere and just hit the record button and it start going. It does face tracking, which let me show you how that is real quick. I don't like to use it when I'm in here though, but there's a face tracking and it's really good. Yeah, see? Awesome. So if you're on the fence whether you want to get the Pocket, I mean, tell me, what's a more simple setup than this? I mean, this or this? So I would say, go ahead, give the DJI Osmos Pocket 3 a try. I promise you, you will fall in love with it. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and remember that all footage in this video was shot using the DJI Osmos Pocket 3. If you want to see more content like this, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.